This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Herrick. Welcome home to this spacious gem. Boasting over 2,000 plus square feet, this 4-bedroom beauty on a double lot. The oversized detached garage is a perfect workshop space for all your projects. Come inside to discover over 30,000 of upgrades to include brand new kitchen that's a chef's delight, all new appliances, new paint, carpet and LVP. The primary bedroom features a charming balcony, providing a private retreat for you to unwind. Primary bedroom, it's incredibly spacious. Home is perfect balance between central convenience and peaceful escape from city life. Near interstates, beaches, shopping, entertainment, and military bases. For more information